So this softball-sized camera is the Youkey S320, and it has a couple of things going for it that other cameras do not. Most security cameras make you choose between easy setup, good image quality, or avoiding a subscription. The Youkey S320 says, why not give you all three? This is magnetic, it's wireless, there are no required subscriptions, and you can stick it to your fridge, screw it to a wall, or just stick it on a table. This video is sponsored by the people at Youkey, but I do not do sponsored content unless I've tried the product, liked the product, and would buy it with my own money. Also, it reminds me of something from a movie that I've seen. Anyhow, so in this video I'm going to show you how it works, what I like about it, and the one thing you need to keep in mind if your house doesn't have a lot of metal surfaces. So, let's give this a try. First of all, the installation could not be easier. The base is magnetic, the camera has a heavy metal frame inside, so the base just sticks onto it and holds it securely. It's so secure that I can do this with the camera and it doesn't fall off. So if you want to put it somewhere like a fridge, a pipe, or a fence post outside, you just stick it on with a magnet. If you don't have a magnetic surface, you can connect it to something two different ways. The first is with the base. You can unscrew part of the base, you can screw this to the wall, and then you can just connect the base to this screwed on part, and now you have a magnetic surface where you can put on the camera. But also, since this base is so strong, you can just put it on, stick it on a surface, and point it wherever you would like. The camera also has a tripod thread, and it comes with an adapter that you can screw onto the wall, and then you just screw the camera onto that adapter. That's the way most security cameras work, and they don't have magnets, so you can't move it around from place to place. Okay, you can't have a good camera unless you have a good app. And this app does things a little bit differently than some of the other apps I've used. It does its pairing over Bluetooth, so you're not dealing with Wi-Fi setup issues. You just scan the QR code, the app pairs with the camera, asks you to pick your Wi-Fi network, and Bob's your uncle, you're done. Another important thing is it has Wi-Fi 6, which is a much faster standard than many of the older cameras have. Wi-Fi 6 and the ability to use the 5 GHz band means that you're going to get great connectivity and faster video transfer. The result is a faster connection to the camera and better streaming quality than the other systems I've tested. Here's something else that's really different about the camera. It includes 8 GB of built-in storage. That means no monthly fee is required to get recording, alerts, and the AI detection. A lot of security cameras require you to use a hub in order to store more than a few hours of footage, but with 8 GB of storage, you don't really need that hub. And if you've got multiple cameras, they all have their own storage, which also eliminates the need for a hub just to record from 4 or 5 different cameras. My biggest problem with a lot of the security cameras is that they force you to get a subscription to use all the features, but not the Youkey S320. Now, there is a subscription cloud option if you want it. If you'd rather store your videos off-site or access long-term history remotely, you can sign up for the cloud, but again, totally optional. I've just been using the local storage and downloading any clips that I need right to my phone when I need them. Super simple. The camera has a 2.5K QHD camera, which is a higher resolution than a lot of other cameras. It has a bright f1.6 aperture. If you don't know what aperture is, it's basically just a measurement of how much light can come into the camera through the lens, and the closer you get to the number 1, the more light that it lets in, which means this f1.6 aperture allows you to get really sharp, really high quality video even in dim lighting. And of course it also has night vision, so you can get good quality footage when there's almost no light. The S320 also includes AI subject recognition, which distinguishes between people, pets, and general movement. I tested it with cats, and the app correctly flagged them as pets. And like most cameras, you can set the level of sensitivity to trigger recording. You can also set motion areas for it to pay attention to and to ignore, and so if you have the camera pointed in your driveway when a car goes by, it won't get triggered every time the car passes. When the camera detects motion, it sends out a notification. I work from home and my review products come from UPS or FedEx, and I have to sign for a lot of the deliveries. Knowing that someone is at my door helps in case I didn't hear the doorbell while I was up recording a video in my studio. This thing is a lot tougher than it looks. I'd put the camera down on a surface to record some of the birds at the bird feeder. A squirrel knocked it off of that ledge, it fell on the ground and kept working perfectly. I think it's the metal cage inside that makes it magnetic that also keeps it super durable. It also sat through this thunderstorm with absolutely no issue. Rain, wind, humidity, it's weather resistant, it just keeps working. No wires means you can place it pretty much anywhere, but it also means that you have to rely on the internal battery if you're not close enough to an outlet to power it with a USB-C cable. I've used the camera for several weeks now, and it looks like the battery has dropped maybe 20%. And since it's magnetic, I've been taking it between rooms and outside, and then if I wanted to charge the battery, I could just bring it inside for a few minutes, plug it into USB-C, and then go stick it back on the magnetic mount. All right, there's got to be a downside, right? There's just one. Not everything is magnetic. If you don't have a metal surface, you're going to need the screw in the included adapter, but that's pretty minor because even on a table or a bookshelf, the camera balances perfectly and it can still be aimed however you want. Every other camera system has to be mounted that same way and it doesn't have a magnetic base, so at the very least you're getting the same sort of installation as other cameras, but you've also got that really great magnetic base that sets it apart from the others. The Youkey S320 really nails that sweet spot of great image quality, flexible setup, smart detection, and no required subscription. So whether you're keeping tabs on your pets, deliveries, or just want a little peace of mind at home, it's a really great pick. There's a link to it down below. Also, let me know what you're looking for in a security camera. If you're watching this video, you've probably searched for the best video camera. Let me know what it is that you think would make that perfect camera. And also, if you have questions with this about installation, battery use, compatibility, or anything else, let me know in the comments below. I always love to answer those questions. So for Dave Tries This, I'm David Schloss, and as always, thanks so much for giving this a try.